you find us again on the All 4 Mississippi Thunder channel. We got another great video coming up for you here at the Rock House Gun and Pawn. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you for tuning back into All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Any previous viewers and subscribers, we surely appreciate y'all. Now, any new viewers or viewers that have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss anything that happens over here on All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Give us a thumbs up because we always appreciate that. Ring that bell for notifications and share this video with your friends, neighbors, and their friends, and whoever you can think to share it with. Today, we've got a great video coming for you from Rock House Gun and Pawn, and that is at 5430 Highway 19 North, Meridian, Mississippi 39307. Phone number is 601-485-5895, and I will put that number in the video several times for you to see that. And they are a fully licensed FFL dealer following all federal, state, and local laws. I'm not selling any firearms in this video, but if you see something that you like, feel free to call the Rock House Gun and Pawn or stop by if you're local. If you call, they'll get you set up to send it to your local FFL. But make sure, and also if you anything else you think of that you think they might have that you don't see in the video, go ahead and stop by and give them a call. But tell them that R4 Mississippi Thunder sent you. All right, in today's video, we got a double dose of the Q firearms. Over here, we have the Sugar Weasel, which they call this one a little bit cheaper version. It's a new firearm. And you come over here, and this is the Honey Badger, which is the more expensive version. This is a used firearm. It has a Sig Sauer Romeo on top of it. We're going to talk about the differences and the similarities between the two. So we're going to take a look at these, and I'm going to explain where the difference in price comes in. So with the Honey Badger, something that's different about them is this: the Honey Badger has a billet aluminum receiver set that is machined out. And milled into that receiver set, both the upper and lower part of the receiver set, you have Q's bracing system. And you can see that is milled in to the upper and lower receiver for this brace extension to slide right in place. So that's, proprietary. There is nothing like that on the market. Okay, over here on the Sugar Weasel, you have a forged aluminum receiver, mil-spec type receiver set. And like you said, it's pretty well run-of-the-mill, mil-spec. It's got your stamping marks and stuff like that where it was forged at. And if you look at the buffer system or receiver extension over here, it has a regular mil-spec type receiver extension, castle nut and end plate and all that, and it has a SBA3 brace on there. Like I said, again, if you look over here, this is a proprietary Q exclusive brace, and also a shortened receiver extension. Can you see it up in there? All right, something else that's a little different on these two, that's different between the two, is on the Honey Badger, there is a Meridian Raptor charging handle, which is a little upgrade versus a mil-spec type charging handle on the Sugar Weasel. They both have mag-pull furniture, a little bit different mag-pull grip there. This one has a more flared mag well on that billet aluminum receiver. Now this one has ambidextrous, kind of a short throw safety there. And also, the Honey Badger has a Geisley 2-stage trigger. And on the Sugar Weasel, it has they say it's an upgraded type mil-spec single-stage trigger on there. All right, another difference, I mentioned the flared mag wheel, but something else you get with the billet aluminum receiver set is you get the integrated trigger guard on the Honey Badger, where the Sugar Weasel has, of course, a forged receiver, so you have a Magpul trigger guard there. Okay. Now, talk about the similarities. They are both chambered in 300 blackout, so these are designed to meet the needs of 300 blackout and make it optimally perform in a short, compact package. They're direct impingement firearms, both of them are. And both of them from the receiver set forward are identical. Well, I mean, a little bit of color variation there, but like I said, they're both 7-inch barrels, and they both are 1 in 5 twist, a real fast twist for the 300 blackout. They have the pistol length gas system, of course. It can't be any longer than that, but they both have adjustable gas blocks, as you can see in there. The barrels are both threaded 5/8 by 28, and they have a 25-degree taper on the barrel itself, and that's perfect for this muzzle device. And also, if you're using just like a direct thread-on type suppressor, you can thread it on there. But if you're going to use like a QD mount and you want to take that muzzle brake off, which that is the cherry bomb muzzle brake they call it, and I hear it throws some kind of a fireball when you're shooting it. But if you want to take off this muzzle brake, then you'll have to get a tapered washer from Q that matches the taper of the barrel. The receiver sets and handguards are clear coat anodized and Cerakoted. It has a 6-inch M-lock handguard on both of them, full 1913 Picatinny rail on both of them. And I didn't mention, but you have, this is a little different. Like I said, you have the 6-position buffer extension on here, and you really have kind of just a shortened configuration on the Honey Badger and a longer configuration. There is no kind of in between. Now, when you're collapsed, the Honey Badger is shorter by a few inches compared to the Sugar Weasel. If you can see here the difference in the length of where the braces are. There is a very slight weight differentiation between the two. The Sugar Weasel is 4 pounds 11 ounces, and you get a 3-ounce lighter here at 4 pounds and 8 ounces with the Honey Badger. I'm going to show you the difference in the trigger of these two. And right there you have just a little bit of take up on, this is the Sugar Weasel. Nice clean break and nice reset there. And here, like I said, this is the Honey Badger. Like I said, it has a 2-stage trigger, so you have that little bit of take up right there. Nice clean break and a quick reset. Well, I think that is fairly well the extent of the differences and similarities of these two. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you can tell Miss R4 to go ahead and pick me up both of these, because they look good with me, I do believe. Hope you enjoyed this style video. Remember to always hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to R4 Mississippi Thunder. It's free, it don't cost you a thing. Go ahead and share the video with a friend, neighbor, or somebody at work, somebody on the street. It don't matter. The more shares and the more subscribers we get over here on R4 Mississippi Thunder, the better content we can put out to you and the more stuff we can review. Give us a like on the video. Leave us a comment down below. Remember, for I've learned to be content in every situation. That comes from Philippians 4:11. Come back to see us again on R4 Mississippi Thunder. God bless you, and God bless America.